What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Partridge Capital live stream. For anybody who's tuning in, for anyone who's about to tune in, I just want to say we're going to be talking about a bunch of stuff this afternoon. So we'll give you guys a couple of minutes just to join, and then we're going to get straight into our stream. How is everybody doing today? It's snowy, it's rainy here in Canada. And but it's a great day because we took a bunch of profit. So anyways, guys, let's pull up the portfolio here just so we can get into some of the cannabis stocks. I don't know why. There we go. Perfect. What's up, Four Seasons? Thank you for joining the stream. Hit that like button. I'll tell you guys in 2 seconds what we sold. Just give me 2 seconds. Uh-oh. Hello, all sunny and nice here on Vancouver Island. Well, aren't you lucky? What's up, Troy? We're going to be talking about a bunch of different stocks and what we took profit on and what we're looking to buy, because we have some cash to spend. So that's the most exciting part about investing when you're buying. Okay. Geez, I guess everybody's on lunch today. Okay. What happened to ACB? What's up, Doug? Okay. All right, so guys, today, let me just turn this music up a little bit. There we go. So today we decided to take profit on Bank of America. It was a position that we held for a very long time, since 2016. And I'll just pull it up here real quick, if you guys don't mind. It's not a cannabis stock, but it's Bank of America. So, what's up? What's up, Andrew King and DG Slots? There you go. You guys got your shout outs. So the markets are in the red today. We're going to be taking a look just quickly at the financials, just as we took some profits today. Finally, it's been a long trade on Bank of America, but we liked the uptick with the stock price recently. So I'm just going to go to the 3-year chart. So if you guys can see here, let's pull up the candles. Yeah, it's nice to have some cash. It's nice to be sitting on some cash finally. So I forget, we were buying Bank of America back here in 2016. And then it sold off like crazy not too long after, all the way down to 12. Did an add to it. And then it went up all the way to 32-ish. So we took some profits at 32. Watched it slide all the way down to 22. And then just sold it at 29. So it looks like we could potentially pull back a little bit. We saw a nice run, and now we've got a bunch of cash to invest. So I'm super excited for that. And we also took some profit on another fund. This was a fund that we held for years. It's a regional bank trust, so it holds a lot of the small banks in the US. And the funds performed pretty crap recently. But we did see a bit of a recovery off of $9, and we're taking profits on that one. Held this one for a couple years. I forget how long we had this one for. Let's see. 3-year chart. Here. Yeah, so the fund is not even that old. Since 2015. Held it since inception. Didn't do too well on it. Made about 25%. Better than nothing. But anyways, guys. Love red days, gives us a chance to scale and load up on more shares. I'm holding Bank of America too. Yeah, I'm just a little concerned about a pullback, and I want to raise some cash. So in terms of that, we dumped about 1,000 shares of Bank of America. So anyways, guys, on to the cannabis stocks. I think eventually it's got to do something. So this is one stock that was brought to our attention Valen's Growworks. Valen's Growworks was a new stock that we're following. Pure Global Cannabis back up to 25 cents today. That's nice to see. I believe we're up about 25% on Pure Global Cannabis, which is nice to see. Hit that like button for anybody new to this stream. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. And let's see what else is in the green today. We're seeing Namaste up 1.5%, 48 North up 1.75%, Oxley Cannabis 90 cents. Oxley's one that I like, but I'm not too sure about it. There's a bunch of cannabis companies that we want to add to our positions. There's just so many stocks that we're looking at right now. Are you guys watching AXXA run? No, but we can definitely take a look at it. What's up, KBH? I don't know how to... Maramed is a strong one. We're also looking at Suniva. We're looking at adding maybe 500 shares of Suniva. 500 shares of Suniva, 500 shares of Aurora. So those are some of the cannabis companies that we're looking at. I definitely do like Suniva as a play on the California market, and I think that they are still undervalued. Here, let's take a look at Suniva. Oxley right now sitting at 90 cents. I mean, it's looking pretty good, to be honest. MedMen too. Yep. So what were we looking at? Suniva. Yeah, guys. So Suniva right now is currently trading 448. It's made a bounce. It's made a pretty substantial bounce though, which is my only concern. It's bounced off about 280 all the way up to $5. It nearly doubled. So last time I got 36,000, 3,600% gain on AXXA, but it dropped. Like the amount of share on Suniva. Watching this stock, bought it as a penny stock. WDBG AXXA. Let's take a look at this real quick. Wow, that's a 2 cent stock. Damn. That's crazy. I'll pull it up right after this. Yeah, Acreage Holdings on fire. I watched Acreage Holdings blast off. It's been absolutely nuts. Oh my gosh, this chart. Yeah, I can definitely see what's going on there. Still tip from Rich TV is going up. There's just so many companies, guys. So we've got Acreage Holdings, shares on Suniva. I thought it was Aphria going on to the NYSE. Alefia's got to get their share price up. A lot of new eyes are on this errand. Whales are coming in. Gold penny stock. SGCP. Okay, guys. I'm going to be taking a look at all these stocks. SGCP. Can't find it, Yolanda. Please tell me the name. There was one other one I wanted to take a look at. Which one were we here? Doug Whitaker. WDGB. WDGB. Sorry, guys. I can't find these companies. Tell me the name. Grab some love this morning at 19 cents. 6 cents below IPO. It's a bargain. How high do you see Pure Global Cannabis can get? That's a great question. I want to take a look right now at Pure Global. We do hold it at 20 cents. So it's looking pretty good. Pure is putting in this weird kind of, it edges up and then it takes some profit, edges up, takes some profit. So right now it looks like Pure is either going to blast off again or we are going to fall back to 20 cents. So I do feel like we're hopefully going to put in some support here at 25 cents and hopefully move up to potentially 35 or 6 or 7. I'd like to see Pure somewhere around the 35 to 40 cent range. That would be ideal. I would probably take some profits on Pure Global at the 35 to 40 cent range if we get up there. But Pure's chart's actually looking pretty good. Not to mention they've got their sales license. I just saw some advertising for the company on Facebook. So Pure's definitely cementing themselves as a player in the cannabis space. So WDBG, Woodbrook Group Holdings. I'll take a look at that in a second along with Sierra Gold Corp. What's up, Steven? Nice to catch you in my stream. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining. SLLVN, Standard Lithium on a bit of a run. Oh yeah, so Standard Lithium. Ace, are Pure Global the next big company? Do they have what it takes? ARNDC, ACB hitting $10 mark sometime soon. I see ACB could potentially hit $10 if their guidance of the next quarter is good. I don't think the actual money they make next quarter is going to be stellar numbers, just as they've already said, like, they're going to probably make between 50 to 55 million. But I do think that guidance will be better. Guidance will be what's going to drive the stocks, at least over the next quarters. I mean, we're seeing a dip. We're seeing ACB dip to around $8. I'm looking to buy around $8. That's what I'm looking to do. I'm not telling anyone to buy, though. Don't take that as financial advice. But I'm looking to add to ACB around $8, and it's already our biggest position. Okay, so do you think Aurora is going to drop again anytime soon, or in your opinion, has it bottomed out? ACB should be at $10, but investors are nervous but have to think long term. I'll check the share price in 5 years. Sprint for Aurora, spring for Aurora probably. Yeah, so Aurora, obviously, we're patient with Aurora. We've held Aurora, geez, since here. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down. Just keep adding. We just keep adding to it. I mean, I'm comfortable and confident in Aurora and what they're up to, and the companies they're buying, and their plan for the future. That's why I like the company. I like picking the smaller companies, but honestly, Aurora, they're a big company. They buy other companies. And how many shares of Aurora? Money Man prayers go out to investing elsewhere this morning. You should get one of those doorbell camera deals. Yeah. No, it's true. But I'm also in a secure condo with protection. So I know what you mean, though. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen. Prayers do go out to Investing Hustler. Shout out to Investing Hustler. We've got about ACB, I can't remember, 4,000 or 5,000 shares. Let's see what the calculator says. 5,000 times, let's see, something like that. I don't know, 5,000 shares. Aurora is positioning to be a global leader. Michael, do your due diligence. They have more than 1 billion shares outstanding. I'm long ACB, got a lot of shares. Everybody knows that CR, that argument is getting old. Yeah, so biggest position in ACB, but we also do have Pure Global, Aphria, what else? Oxy Cannabis, International Canna Brands, Namaste. Not doing too good. Namaste. And what other LPs? Wayland Group. What's Wayland up to? Not doing that great recently. There's a glut of lithium, and China way overproduced electric cars, plus Buffett's hydro wells are about to start extracting tons. Yeah, so no IGC, Steven. No IGC. What is Namaste on? Don't fall in love with ACB. Swing trade it over and over. ACB is a good swing trade stock. I know. But we're not really doing many swing trades right now. Had to close the chat to hit the button. Thank you, King Caesar. Thanks, guys. 57 people watching and only 13 likes, though. I'm sure you guys can increase that number. Thank you. Well, LOL, going to keep bugging you to look at... Okay. Okay, Doug. Thank you. I don't mind you bugging me. So, W, D, B, G. Wait. Sorry. W, D, B, G, D. There we go. Is this what we're talking about? Or just invest long term? Me. Then hit the 3 lines to open back again. Is this what we're talking about, Doug? Because I don't know what's going on with this chart. What is this? Tesla is my swing trade stock. I've done it several times. Buy in the 250 to 300 range, sell it at 350 like clockwork. Aaron, I think your screen is showing a status image and not the charts you're looking at. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay. Wow, that's foolish. Oh my. There we go. I'm sorry. Thank you for pointing that out. I can't believe I had you guys watching and I was talking about an article on Barrick Gold Corp. Thank you. Okay, so you think it will be better than FSD, where the same no movement had to move a stock with 1 billion shares? Which one? But honestly, guys, I've got a couple fake. I've plugged in like fictional numbers and on investing.com for some accounts. So if it shows portfolio balance, it's probably an outdated fictional number. So I don't like to be that transparent and show everything online, but I'm definitely open to telling you guys like certain stuff. I just like to keep a little bit of, privacy. What's up with you guys? You guys are joking around with me today, Steven. You actually got me there. Anyways, sorry. Okay, so now we're actually taking a look at the charts. This is awesome, and it's not just showing us a screen of the Barrick Gold Corp news article. All right, beautiful. Here, I'm going to use my phone instead. Whenever someone does attack ACB, they usually attack the share dilution. All right, so hit the like button. Thank you for that support. So what were we looking at, Doug? Sorry, we're looking at this one, Neuro High Tech. Yep, so it's 1849. I'm seeing $18 on this screen. What do you guys think? Hit the naughty button for dilution. Naughty dilution. Does anybody like Cineplex as a monthly dividend stock with some upside? Yes, but I'd be a little bit cautious. I do have some better dividend picks than Cineplex currently. Could be bothering you about the raw deal. Can't hit the like button no more. Ah, that's okay. Anybody new to the stream, hit the like button. And let's get into something else. I forget what I was going to do, though. What was I going to search up for you guys? Oh, yeah, Dan Bilzerian's new stock. Bills. What do you guys think about that? It was not a dilution. It was a penny stock a month ago. Wow, Dan Bilzerian stock's dropping today. I mean, it ran up with that IPO, so I mean, what do you guys expect? Look at this. What do you think about Danny B's new company? Are you guys buying? Are you guys selling? Ignite International Brands. It's down 10%. But look how much so it was a reverse takeover of a gold company. I will keep buying Aurora. The more I drops, the more Aurora. Wait, sorry. I will keep buying more Aurora. The more it drops, the more I get excited. I'm Armenian and he's Armenian. It only makes sense. Yeah, HB, hit that like button. Hit that like button if you like this stream. I don't think Aurora will announce a big deal until earnings soon. I think it's set up and going to be planned nicely. Yep, so we're seeing bills drop. Danny B's losing some bills today, but I'm sure he's doing fine. I'm going to wait till it goes sideways to consolidate. Dan Blizz is a wild man. Saw him on Joe Rogan podcast. Yeah, he's got a crazy story. He's had like a bunch of heart attacks, and he just goes crazy all the time. But I mean, he definitely knows how to get the publicity, raise money, you know, live a crazy, awesome life. So some people hate on him, but honestly, he's living most people's dreams, so whatever. Shout out to Danny B for starting up that weed company. Hopefully we can work with you in the future, because I would love to promote for Dan Blazarian. I will do all your media coverage. I don't care. Just invite me to those parties. Yeah, this guy's crazy. So anyways, guys, let's see what is declining today. You know what? I really wanted to get some Hexo, but it ran too much so far. I wanted to buy Hexo at $4 and I'm so sad. More power to Blazarian. Aurora said they're going to give. Wow, guys, 70 people. Hit that like button, please. We got 34 likes. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's keep this stream going. Let's keep this stream alive. We started with 20 people, so that's sweet. Alkaline water continuing to decline. This is a stock that's definitely on my watch list. I'm just excited. We've got a bunch of cash to spend, so we got to put this cash to work soon. Kronos declining finally down to $19, but still holding on to a crap load of their gains. CanTrust declining 4%. CanTrust's been on a nice run. We can take a look at that chart. Oh, okay. How long term would you say one should hold ACB? I'm gonna be holding ACB. It's gonna be our top cannabis holding. Will be for a while. We don't plan to sell much ACB, honestly. I plan to hold Aurora as one of our biggest companies in the cannabis sector. I mean, take profit if it goes up like crazy, but just watch it. And like I said, I just plan to hold on to ACB for long term. So I'm gonna put this right here. Yes, Brandon, I think that's a good time frame for ACB. 3 to 5 years. Let's get this video trending on YouTube. Wow, that would be sick. I would love that. Thank you for your support, DG Slots. They want to be selective of the deal and get, yeah, so ACB is very selective. Depends on how much money you want to make, at least for ACB. He's not a huge following. He's got a huge following. 1 billion shares and super late to the party. What about New Mountain Mining? We're going to take a look at some miners just after we're done taking a look at a couple more of these cannabis companies. So we're seeing Hexo pull back just a little bit. Aphria is not really getting a boost from any of the green growth brands publicity. Sorry for the typos. It's all good. Marty in the house. What's up, Marty? Okay, there's a quick little article I wanted to read. Green Growth Brands goes public with Aphria takeover offer. All stock offer comes after Leamington, Ontario-based pot company was hit by short seller allegations. Weeks after saying they wanted to buy the company, cannabis retailer Green Growth Brands has finally come forward with details of their offer to take over cannabis producer Aphria. The Ohio-based company said it is offering to buy out existing Aphria shareholders in an all-stock transaction that will see them get 1.57 shares. So I believe the value of the deal is the same, but Aphria is not moving on the news at all. Thoughts on XLY? We were just talking about XLY, Darby. I'll go back to that in 1 second. We just been illegal for 3 months. Super late to the party. Nope, just upset that FST. I love it too. Marty's the one-man party. Damn, I bought 67 cents. So at 10:30 a.m., the sector dropped hard. Both ACB and cannabis sharp decline, maybe with the U.S. markets down. Yeah, so I think the markets we're taking the sector down. We can take a quick look at the indexes. We'll take a look at the major indexes and green growth brands. Where is green growth brands? Am I not following? No. Am I not following GGB? Come on, guys. There we go. Green growth brands down 2.84%. So neither of those stocks are moving at all after the takeover deal. We're seeing alternative health run like crazy today at 15%, followed by Vail and Growworks. NBev making another run today. NBev might have been an interesting one at $6. I was thinking about that, still thinking about it. T-God's actually over $3 finally today. And Pure Global, 24.5 cents. Organigram. Not too much in the green. We can take a quick look at XLY just as we had a question about that. And then we'll take a look at the indexes in a second. So, take a look at the charts for ACB and cannabis. Same drop at 10:30. I probably know a lot more about FST than you, trust me. I eat, sleep FST. And it's like 9 years away from the party. What's going to happen? It's going to happen. Aphria will be bought. It's also better for Aphria. Grammar isn't your forte. Oh. XOY looks risky for the management, but the management fee is low. So, are you guys talking about XLY or XLU? Because XLY is Oxley Cannabis. XLU is a utilities select sector ETF. Honestly, right now, if you're looking at XLY, if Oxley is the stock that you're referring to, then the charts look decent, but we do look like we could potentially drop back down to 75 to 80 cents. It's hard to say. Yeah, T-God is due for a run. I do agree with you on that one. I think that T-God should hopefully have a run soon. But that's all going to depend on the markets, guys. Right now we're seeing the S&P down 0.4%. Dow just in the green by a tiny bit, up 21 points. And the NASDAQ down 0.6%. So I'm looking at financials today, just as we sold. And Bank of America is continuing to decline. We sold just over $29 a share. And let's see. Namaste looks a bit better today. What was I want to look at? Yeah, the US 10-year yield. So that's something we've been obviously following. I expect it. Oh, still climbing today. Making a bit of a recovery. Can you chat about the HIP IV? Just found your web. Thanks for any positive feedback growth. Yeah, so we're seeing the 10-year yield continue to recover quite a little bit, although we did sell off yesterday due to that market correction. Last hard run for T-God was the first week of November. T-God attempted a run. T-God attempted a run after legalization, but it failed. But yeah, the last hard run was definitely... T-God's one of those stocks that is a little bit frustrating, to be honest. I mean, we took off from 250 all the way to $5. Like, you would have made 100% if you swing traded that stock and you bought it at the bottom. But like, we're barely higher than where we were when we bottomed out. So unless FST gets a deal or another big deal, trust me, you will be sitting holding FST for a long time. Yeah, honestly, right now, it's a tough. Sorry, we're looking at huge. It's not as easy as it once was investing in the cannabis space. Now we need to pick companies that are showing good outlook. Earnings right now aren't as important, but in order for us to capitalize on the market, it's just not as easy of an environment as it once was. Like, we've had the initial crazy run up, like FSD Pharma has sold off substantially. I mean, it had its run up all the way up to almost $1. Now we're at 30 cents. But we do look like we're putting in some kind of floor at about 30 cents. So I hope so, guys. For all you FSD shareholders, be nice to see it make some back. All right, so Horizon's marijuana ETF, you watching? Yes, we always follow that. Newmount purchased Goldcorp 10 billion. Goldcorp shares surged 13%, but Newmount shares dropped. That's usually what happens when the buying company usually drops, because it's extra debt on the balance sheet, until it proves that it was in fact a profitable and smart takeover. We've seen that happen a bajillion times. Goldcorp, though, has been running, which is nice to see. We have actually a crazy position in Goldcorp, and it performed like garbage. But it's nice to see Goldcorp finally moving back up, because I do believe we own Goldcorp somewhere around 18 bucks for quite a few shares. So I want to see Goldcorp move back up for sure. Goldcorp's definitely one that we are taking a look at, just to be adding. I'm looking to add to Goldcorp, Barrick Gold, Fortuna Silver Mines, First Majestic. Actually, I really want to add to First Majestic. First Majestic Silver. Not to mention, we just interviewed their CEO, or their founder. We just interviewed the founder of First Majestic, First Quantum, and First Mining Gold, Keith Neumeyer. So if you guys do want an interview and you're interested in the precious metal space, for any of you guys who might have missed the video, I'll just bring it up real quick, and then we'll get straight back into things. So I think it was last week. It's right here, guys. I had the awesome opportunity to do a CEO interview. Excuse me. Interviewing Keith, Neumeyer, the founder and chairman of First Gold. So check that out if you guys want to get some really cool insight on the precious metal sector. You know, where he thinks the future of gold and silver is going to be heading, and all that kind of stuff. So trying to always bring you guys that gold. Trying to bring you guys that gold. Trying to bring you guys useful information to help out with your investment decisions. So, Sierra Gold. On a side note, guys, where's my coffee? Oh. Congratulations on the channel. Thank you, King Caesar. It's all because of you guys. The only reason why I've seen any success is for every one of you guys who watch my videos, who drop me comments, who support my channel. That's the only reason why I've seen any success. So it'd be impossible without all you guys. So thank you so much for watching. FSD is setting up to be the world's largest hydroponic cannabis company in the world. Check out their video they published last week. Feel free to drop a link on the chat. I will click on it, as long as it's not a naughty website. Naughty. Thank you. So, feel free to drop that link, Jeff. Thank you. Let's see here. All right, guys. What were we gonna do? I forget. Oh yeah, we're gonna take a look at some gold miners and some commodities. I feel like checking the stock market is so much more fun when I've got you guys to talk to. All right. OWCP. All right, let's check it. Let's check it out. OWCP. Pharmaceutical research. What do they do? I watch everything and anything on FSD. Trust me, I bought it at 16 cents. If you drop me a link, just let me know that you've dropped the link, just as I will get a, it will get flagged and I'll have to approve it. So I won't see it directly because I'm just on chat on my phone. But yeah, let me know if you drop that link and I'll check it out. So yeah, anyways, I do try to take a humble approach. I mean, I think that's the only way to go. Not here to flash a whole bunch of stuff. It can be risky, exposing yourself, showing your possessions, all that kind of stuff. I mean, yeah, so the only stuff that I'm gonna ever flash is me on vacation. AKA the whole thing about Departures Capital was to be able, there, okay, here we go. So thank you, Jeff. We're going to toss up this link here. Yeah, as long as it's no naughty videos. FSD Pharma looking at acquisitions as it continues to build out a facility in Ontario. Do you guys want to watch this? We're going to take a quick little vote here. It's 4 minutes long. Yes, unfortunately for Investing Hustler, I mean, that's just the business that he's in. And he was doing a lot of flip stuff, showing a lot of cash, a lot of expensive stuff that was clearly in his house. And I feel bad for him, but that's something that I'm not trying to flash my stuff on YouTube. Everything's in the bank. You guys can't touch it. So that's it. So you guys want to see this or what? Let me know. We'll give you 10 seconds to vote. Am I playing this video or not? 10, 9, 6. We've got 0 votes for both. 2, 1. 1 and 1. Don't play it. 2 for yes. 3 for yes. 4 for yes. It's looking like we're playing it. Alright guys, we're playing the video.
Joining me right now is
Sorry guys.
Raza Bokhari, Executive
2 for no.
Co-Chair of FSD
3 for no.
Pharma. Great to have you here.
Okay, we'll watch half of it.
For having me on the program.
FSD Pharma is a Canadian cannabis company. Tell me a little bit more.
Thank you again. We are a largest indoor hydroponic facility.
Sorry, Doug.
And fully developed. We would be the biggest facility in the world outside Toronto in a small town called Cobourg, which is a feel-good town. And we're feeling very good about it.
So you're hoping to have the largest facility in the world. What is the capacity there?
Fully developed, we are at 3.8 million square feet capacity, which is almost the size of Central Park, New York.
Wow.
Interesting.
And our hope is that we add into our portfolio a global pharmaceutical company that is focused on providing some synthetic cannabinoid applications, which are FDA approved applications that are designed to treat illnesses of the central nervous system,
Okay.
musculoskeletal diseases, diseases of the skin,
Okay.
also sleep disorders, and especially target treatment for addiction, opioid addiction, which is a scourge that we all feel in America and in the rest of the world.
Any particular companies you're looking at right now that you can talk
Oh,
about?
this is good stuff.
We have been in negotiation. It is known through our press releases with a NASDAQ listed company called Therapex Biosciences.
Yeah, I'd rather listen to Cam
It has
Batley,
a
honestly,
reasonable
guys. Like,
platform.
hurry the heck up.
Some of our discussions have gone not as planned. However, we are here at JP Morgan There is a list of very attractive and compelling companies.
FSD needs to
and we
hire me
hope
to do this talk. Do you
make some
think
good
I do a better job,
announcements,
guys, or what?
sometime very soon.
You say the capacity of your facility is 3.8 million square feet. How much cannabis you hope to produce?
The cannabis, always mess up on this, but it is it is a lot. It's actually 400,000 kilogram.
Okay.
And I hope
This guy doesn't even look like he knows what he's talking about.
And this is
But
a
I mean,
phased growth plan.
thanks for
It
sharing.
is a phased
Here,
growth plan if everything goes as planned. And somebody told me very early in life, never things goes as per plan. But nonetheless, by 2025, if everything goes as planned, we should have this entire facility fully developed.
And right now you do have a license to sell to wholesalers.
We have a license to sell to wholesalers, but our sale license, we have a grow license,
Right.
and we have a wholesale license to sell. I need to be careful. I need to make sure that that is, it may have some limitations to that, but our license to sell to consumers is almost, I think, around the corner.
You still need that Health Canada approval.
Yeah, Health Canada approval. We are, I think there's some good announcements coming with us. It is just a process.
Here, one
Canada
sec, guys.
is, I think, a little overstretched.
I didn't
A lot of
catch
excitement.
that.
This is we're in a groundbreaking industry. So we're all learning.
We're all learning. It's good to
Very
know.
well, I'm looking forward to following this story. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Christine. Enjoy San Francisco.
So, all right. Thanks for sharing that. Definitely have to watch it again. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to keep you guys entertained so you don't leave this stream. Yeah, the product speaks for itself. Definitely. FSD, guys. It's a tough one. I mean, like, personally, I'm caught up. So what's the deal with TRPX is what they need to be honest. Or they have no FDA medicine. They will be years away from an FDA-approved drug. I think it's one of those companies that's definitely now just a wait and hold and wait and see. Yeah. I wouldn't be buying or selling FSD right now. That's just my opinion. I'm just like neutral on it. But it could definitely perform a little better as it has in the past. But we're just not getting it. We're just not getting anything right now. Speaking of product, I'm partaking in some product right now. Johnny Money Green. What's up, buddy? What kind of product are you partaking in, Steven? Check out BCCI advertisement at Super Bowl for their coffee. Another one coming up. BCCI? Barista's Coffee Company. Oh, I'm gonna sit back, guys. There we go. Cam drinks more coffee, brings the heat up. Okay. Damn, Doug, you are not kidding about that, hey? Chuck50, first time here, been loving the channel for a fun, quick ACB update, good stuff. Thank you. Thank you. I like your YouTube channel name. Chucky50. That's pretty funny. Sativa oil, no indica during the day. Yeah, that's true. It will just knock you out, right? Takes years to come out with an FDA-approved drugs. SGW Pharma. I believe you. So anyways, I wanted to take a look at a few other portfolios, specifically, the precious metal miners. We're seeing first Majestic silver in the green, up to $7. Gold Corp's up again. Barrick Gold up 0.76%. Barrick's coming back up. We've got Kinross in the green and two stocks flat, and then a couple. Royal Nickel Corporation. This stock's been so volatile. Jeez. Along with Victoria Gold Corp. Alamos Gold down to 522. Endeavor Silver. There's so many picks, guys. There's so many picks. All right, let's take a look at the utility sector. Geez, Cryos Energy Trust. This stock is all over the damn place, honestly. We'll be taking a look at that. TransAlta Corp. I want to take a look at that stock specifically. PPL, OEG Energy. These are a lot of utility companies, defensive stocks. This is what we are looking to buy some of these companies. So Barrick Gold Corp. Barrick has backed off quite substantially. It was on a nice run. It looks to be potentially bottoming or putting in a nice little floor here at 15 bucks. ACB is oversold. Chuck Weekly always has great interviews. XLY. Yeah, feel free to post that. I will take a look at the interviews. The FSD one was a little bit dry, but thank you for sharing. It's just there's obviously a good message behind it. XLY is a better buy, I think. Sorry guys. Anyways, Barrick not looking too bad at these levels. Royal Nickel Corporation. This stock's crazy volatile. The Motley Fool. A lot of people hate on the Motley Fool. Look at this. 45 cents to 80 cents to 57 cents. Nuts. Super volatile. Cryas Energy Trust. This stock has been all over the place. It's currently yielding 17%. What is happening? Just taking a quick look at the charts here, guys. We sold off like a rock from 7 bucks all the way down to 4. Now we're back to 5. Don't listen to them. It changes every minute. TransAlta. Just want to do a little quick research on TransAlta. Electricity generation and energy marketing company. Oh yeah, so I always get TransAlta confused with TransCanada. Yeah, TransAlta is an interesting utility co. Electric utilities. Let's take a quick look at their 1-year chart, see where we're at. Holy smokes, we made a bounce. Wow. Look at that bounce off 550 all the way to 7 bucks. Dang, that's frustrating. I wanted to buy this one too. Hit that like button. Yes, sir. BLNKW. Now at 70%. Told you 49% earlier. BLNKW. BLNKW. Can't find it. Just tell me the name of the company if you can. Okay. Blink car charging. Blink car charging. Blink car charge. There we go. Blink Charging Co. 31% today. It's an interesting stock listed on the NASDAQ. Holy crap. It's down today. General. Here, let's take a quick look at the profile. I like when you guys bring up cool companies like this. Okay. Formerly Car Charging Group is an owner, operator, and provider of electric vehicle charging equipment and networked EV charging services. The company offers both residential and commercial EV charging equipment, enabling EV drivers to recharge at various location types. Sounds promising. Do you think a company like Coke will buy all convertible notes to get their foot in the door for Aurora? $9.50 for the day so far. It's a tough one. I think that is a possibility. Not to mention, it's probably not a bad investment for Coke. But yeah, it's a tough one. They potentially could. That's a good way to look at it, honestly. Motley Fool one day says that by ACB, the next day they hate on them. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know why they post so many conflicting articles from a bunch of different authors. I had to hit that cash button for you guys just to keep it interesting. So we're seeing nothing for the financials. Bank of America down 0.8%. Goldman Sachs, Bank of Nova Scotia. Honestly, it was a great time. No, you're not boring me. I'm just messing around. No, but I was just looking at... Okay, I'll take that in a sec. Hold on, let me see. Nope. Don't want that. What is this? FSD Pharma video? No. 1 second. Okay. Sorry guys, I got lost here. We are buying a lot of these chargers for our stores. Please tell me about that. I'd like to hear more about it. DG slots. Oh my gosh, guys, look who's live. Who else is live? Trading Fraternity is taking all of my viewers. How dare he? I should go into his live stream right now. They spiked when they mentioned Amazon. Blink charging looks scary, DG. Sorry, I was looking something up for you guys. Oh, yeah. Don't get me jumped. Because Coke could guarantee 5.5% interest. That's right. All right. Let's go through some of these stocks that we had open here. We're going to put this on our watch list. Thank you for mentioning that stock. Blink. Royal Nickel Corporation. Not liking the volatility. I want it to drop back down to 50 cents and then maybe we'll think about it. Oh, Micron Waste Technologies. Are we still holding up? This is one that I like and I didn't catch it. So sad. But we have sold off a little bit. I wanted to buy this at 25 cents. Honestly, guys, 25, 30 cents. Micron was looking so nice. Right down here at 25 cents. So many deals. Christ Energy Trust. Nah. Let's just close some of these. We'll get into commodities in just a second. Maramed up 8%. Already. Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs had a really solid run after their stellar earnings. Still not fully recovered. But let's take a quick look and compare to Bank of America. Wow, BAC's vastly outperformed Goldman Sachs. Holy. But what can you say? Bank of America outperformed Goldman Sachs by over 10%. How's Goldman yielding now? 1.58%. Man, the dividends are really annoying on these US banks. You should really check out AABB. Those regrets suck. Aaron, I sold CDLX last week for a good gain, and the next day jumped another 10%. Yeah, I know. It's hard to catch it. It's sometimes it's just impossible to catch it at the top. You got to be happy with the profits that you do make, because at the end of the day, if you're profiting in the stock market, it's hard to complain. But obviously, you can always do better. But yeah, so I feel good about the sell for financials today. Took a lot of profits on Bank of America. This was a stock that we've held for 2 years. Banked 100% gains though, so not too bad. Yeah, 100% on Bank of America. Can you explain swing trading versus other options? In a second. Where is Rich? I bring him on the show soon. Mark this video when AABB goes up soon. We'll take a look for you. Man, I can't find these tickers. Where are you getting these tickers? Rich is on vacation in the Dominican right now. He'll be back soon. We'll definitely have to live stream with him. That'll be fun. That will be fun. What else were we looking at today, guys? Just a few more things. And then I'm going to go work on some stuff. It's okay. KBEV, that is an interesting one. I have looked at that stock before. Gold holding flat at 1283. We've got silver up 0.3%. We're seeing crude down 1%. What's the US dollar doing today? The US dollar is currently down 0.2%. that's why we're seeing commodities fairly neutral, and we are seeing the markets recover a little bit. It's been a bunch of... Today's been choppy trade. Choppy trade. What's this here we got here? Huh. Yeah, it's hard to say, guys, where the S&P 500 is going. Do you guys think that we will be holding on to our gains, or are we going to start to sell off a little bit? Market's looking a little bit rocky. Honestly, guys, right now where we are, we're looking to test this support level. Personally, I think we could fall potentially to 25.50. I think we could potentially sell to 2600, and then we'll test some support within that level. But it's definitely been a big recovery so far. 23 all the way up to almost 2650, a little over 2650 on the index, but hard to say where we're headed. Huh. Yeah, we tested like 2017 lows almost. What am I talking about? 2017, not lows. Oh, I hate when this happens. My chart crashed. Sorry, guys. KBEV has had a great 1 month run, way off its 52-week high. Maybe worth a shot. Okay, guys, we're quickly going to check in on how long we've been streaming for. Okay, we're going to stream for an hour total. Currently, it's 56 minutes and 54 seconds. So I'm going to give you guys a couple more chances to hit that like button and to drop me some comments for 3 more minutes, and then we're going to head out because we got some videos to edit. I'm going to be editing the video that me and Investing Hustler shot on last weekend, and unfortunately, when Investing Hustler got robbed, he lost all of his footage. So I'm the only one who has footage left, and we're going to be posting a vlog of that happy day. So I'm going to go work on that. Feel free to drop me comments for the last 3 minutes, just talking about whatever you guys want me to talk about, and I'll mention it in my market minute if there's anything like that you guys want me to say. And once again, thank you for tuning into my stream. You guys keep my channel alive. So VIT had a nice run. You can recommend stocks in this chat in the comments for me to take a look at, and I'll gladly take a look at any new video ideas that you guys want to see from me, any suggestions on my channel. Love to hear it. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes, and I'm going to head out, and we'll give that cash button 1 more hit. I've never used Robinhood. I heard it was free. I heard a lot of people use it. A lot of people like it. But that's all I got to say about Robinhood because I use BMO Investor Line. Are you the Cam Batley of YouTube? Did you get time to talk about Namaste CEO selling shares at your feedback on the situation? A lot of bashing on him for selling for tax loss or what? Where are you looking to add more ACB? So I'll answer all those questions. Would I love to be considered the Cam Batley of YouTube? Yes. Do I think I'm the Cam Batley of YouTube? I don't know. That's up to you guys to decide. I heard the CEO selling shares. I mean, at the end of the day, it's his company and it's his shares. But yeah, insider selling versus insider buying. It's hard to know what their motives are. But obviously, if he's dumping a crap load of his shares, then probably pretty concerning. I don't have much to say about Namaste. I don't know too much about Namaste recently. I just know that we're holding on to their stock and it's down and it's annoying. Thank you, Valerie. I appreciate it. If you think I'm the Cam Batley of YouTube, I consider Cam Batley to be successful, and I just like him as a person. So That's cool. Thanks, bro. Let's all share tickers and win. I agree. There was one more thing. Yes, I'm looking to add more ACB. Definitely looking to add more ACB as we get closer to $8. Going to add it $8, and if it goes down to $7.50 or $7, going to be adding more ACB. So that's our thoughts on ACB. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Thank you, everybody, for joining, and hit that like button on your way out to support this stream. And I'm out of here, guys. So thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Make sure to check out my Market Minute video at 5 o'clock. We've been getting so many more views, like 3 times the views. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm out.